Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Tech Pulse. Today we're diving into an important topic for all used car buyers: how to spot a car with rolled back mileage. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what mileage rollback is. It's when a car's odometer is tampered with to show a lower mileage than what the car has actually traveled. This can be a major issue as it hides the true wear and tear on the vehicle. One of the first things to check is the wear and tear inside the car. If the odometer shows low mileage, but the pedals, steering wheel, or seats are heavily worn, that's a red flag. Next, always get a detailed vehicle history report from services like Carfax or AutoCheck in United States market, or the similar in your country. These reports can reveal past odometer readings and help you spot inconsistencies. Inspect the odometer itself. On analog odometers, look for misaligned numbers or signs of tampering. For digital odometers, tampering can be harder to detect but still possible. To check for tampering with a digital odometer, use an OBD2 scanner to compare the odometer reading with the mileage data stored in the car's ECU, and look for any signs of inconsistent or unusual electronic behavior. Check all available service records and receipts. Car with regular service history and authorized dealership will make you sure that mileage is genuine. Make sure the mileage readings are consistent and logical. Inconsistencies can indicate tampering. Take the car to a trusted mechanic or specialized automotive workshop for a thorough inspection. Mechanics can often spot signs of high mileage that may not be visible to the untrained eye, such as excessive wear and tear on tires, which can be checked by looking for uneven tread wear patterns indicative of high mileage, and verifying the tire's production date to ensure they match the car's age. They can also detect rust in hidden areas like the chassis or inner fender areas, and inspect for wear on suspension parts such as bushings and shocks, and check all bolts around the car for signs of previous removal, which could indicate past repairs or part replacements that might correlate with higher mileage than reported. During a test drive, pay attention to how the car feels and performs. Notice any unusual sounds or vibrations, such as rattling, knocking, or squeaking, which could indicate worn-out components. Check the responsiveness of the steering, as loose or unresponsive steering might suggest excessive wear. Observe the transmission's behavior. Delayed shifting, slipping gears, or rough transitions can signal high mileage. Test the brakes for effectiveness and listen for grinding or squealing noises, which could indicate worn brake pads or discs. Additionally, pay attention to the suspension's performance by driving over bumps and uneven roads. Excessive bouncing or a rough ride might point to worn suspension parts. Any of these issues might indicate higher mileage than shown on the odometer. For a more advanced check, you can use an OBD2 scanner to read the car's ECU data. This can sometimes reveal the actual mileage, especially if the odometer has been rolled back. To recap, always be careful and informed when buying a used car. Check for wear and tear, get a vehicle history report, inspect the odometer, review service records, get a mechanic's inspection, and consider using advanced tools like an OBD2 scanner. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and guides. See you next time.